Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be focusing on how to get into a handstand. Now there are lots of techniques and you can do any technique that you want to, whichever is comfortable for your body. However, if you can't do a handstand, what I would suggest is work on your planks, work on your push-ups, work on your core to strengthen your shoulders and your upper body so that you get comfortable a little bit more on your hands. I've done a video where it's like a beginner version of how you can get more comfortable on your hands. You can even check that out and see if you like. But this is the safest way, and also your body alignment and everything will be a-okay in this one. So the first thing what we're going to be doing is we're going to be coming to the wall. You will need the support of the wall. So the first thing we're going to fold forward. Now as you fold down, inhale, exhale, you're going to use the arm strength that is there, and you're going to take the weight slightly forward. Just walk up with your legs to the wall, and all we're going to do is we're going to straighten the legs out. Now can you see, it is like doing a handstand but inverted. Now we're going to walk back all the way back to the wall. This seems a little bit more challenging, but actually your level of your everything will be perfect in this one. Now what you want to try and do is get the stomach off and try and get maybe the nose and the thighs can stay on. Now don't sink into your shoulder blades. Try and push up as much as you can, and we can just going to stay here 10. So if you realize, we're doing a same handstand but without the use of the banana back or anything like that. We're just going to stay 5. Keep breathing. 4, 3, 2, keep pushing. 1. We're going to come back. Now as you come back, curl your foot. As you curl your foot, we're going to walk back. As we walk back, we're going to come back into this almost plank position. Lower your legs down a little bit and then come back over and release. Now something I want you all to remember is when you will go into this, your alignment will be okay, because if you're going to go into the archie of your handstand, ideally is going to be like a banana back, which is going to have impact on your spine. So this is the safe way to enter into it. I know it seems and looks a little bit more tricky, but you have to understand you should be comfortable with your upper body. That means your planks, your push-ups. Once you start getting comfortable, you will feel less scared to do this one against the wall. Till I see you next time, practice daily. Stay safe, stay up. Bye.